guys sa pangalawang salang ng
Road
aming
bike,
Junior
17
Honda
below. Sandali ha, paranin mo na
Man.
escort.
Ito yung entry namin dito guys, si Hermie, si Cedric, at si Christian.
17 below, road bike. Wala tayong pacing ha. 10 laps ang gagawin nyo. Running start na tayo ha. Yung mga overlap, titigil na kayo pag overlap ha. Top 5 lang ako kukunin sa inyo ha. 17 below, road bike. Escort ready! Escort ready! Riders ready! Get set, go! 10 laps. 17 below. 10 laps.